Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to be making a mango salsa. Before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon for the latest updates and recipes, and if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, please do so. If you like my recipes or anything else, give me a big thumbs up. I look forward to hearing you back on an email. Right, so just before we start, it's a combination of sweet and sour, tangy, and that chili gives it that kick as well at the same time. So mango salsa is one of those items that you could just eat on its own, or you could just have some chicken fingers or fish tacos or anything like that. So we're going to infuse basically the sweet mango with the tart mango, which is diced up. So you get the softness of the sweetness of the mango, and you also get the tangy and the crunchy part as well. So I've got a cup and a half of sweet, soft mango, and I'm going to take a cup of regular tart mango. If you start mixing that in, and this is basically where you'll start looking at the consistency as well. Some mango salsas, people like them very, very, shall we say, not very watery, but I'd say not on the more watery side. Some of them like them enough so they hold themselves. So if you put them onto a taco, you can actually see this mango salsa sitting on the taco itself. So that's why we've got mango juice on the side. I've got a small onion, half a small onion, sorry. I've got about 10 to 12 sliced jalapeños, about 6 cherry tomatoes, seeded, and then I've got a lime juice for 1 lime. And I'm just going to mix that in to start off with, and see what the consistency looks like before I start mixing in the apple juice, well, in this case mango juice. But if you haven't got mango juice, you could use apple juice. It's just to bring down the consistency. Mangoes can be very different. I think there's over 100 different types of mangoes globally. At this moment in time, my mango salsa looks like this. It's good enough to basically eat with the taco. But I want mine slightly watered down, so I'm just going to put my chili sauce in. I've got about a teaspoon and a half of red chili sauce, and this is quite spicy because there's a lot of sweetness in the mango, so I want to bring that chili out as well. And then I've got a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix that in. I'm just going to taste my mango salsa just to see what the consistency, taste, chili, the hit. Now, I taste the chili, I taste the lime, the mango, the crunchiness of the mango, the sweetness of the mango. It's all coming in, but it's the salt, the pepper. There is a bit of a slight kick in the back as well. So it's there, but now comes the consistency. Do I want to keep it as thick as this, or do I need to water it down slightly? Now, I've got some mango juice here, so I'm just going to probably pour 3 tablespoons worth. Just give it a quick mix, and now I'm just going to let it set for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you how to finish this off. Welcome back. So just to finally finish it off, this has been sitting outside for about a good 10 odd minutes. And even now, if I taste it, it'll taste slightly different because the chili would have infused even more into the mango. So, that's nice. Okay, just to finish this off, coriander, the secret ingredient. Now you'll be wondering, why coriander? Coriander itself is a great herb. It actually does give a lot of flavor. Okay, right, so we're done now. All you've got to do is just store it in the fridge, and this will stay for about a good week, so long as you use a dry spoon. Serve it with a fish taco, serve it with some nachos, some tortilla chips, really, or you just eat it on its own. This is great. Try it out, tell me what you think, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on Instagram. Bye.